Residents are tired of just sitting in the dark and being told, you just need to wait.
Continuing coverage now, about 24 people gathering outside Nashville Electric Service headquarters tonight. They are demanding answers about what they consider the utility's poor response to this winter storm. Fox 17 News' Hope Salmon outside NES right now with more on the protest this evening. Hope?
Out of the at least 24 people that were out here tonight, they say that they do not have power yet and they're tired of waiting for help. Cold, tired, and frustrated. Residents are still without power, demanding answers.
Our apartment got down to 34 degrees. Luckily, we were able to find a generator to have some heaters, but it's not great.
Joseph Hill is one of the people who organized tonight's protest. He's concerned for the people who don't have access to resources, like his 90-year-old neighbor. Hill says the big question is why NES won't hire more linemen.
The fourth one came out to us today and said that there was hundreds of local linemen waiting and they were turned off.
In Vergne, the mayor says there's an even bigger problem. He says the city hasn't had any response from NES and more than 800 people are impacted. Mayor Jason Cole says he's reached out to NES and Nashville Mayor Freddie O'Connell for a timeline on work but hasn't heard back.
We need timelines. Residents are tired of just sitting in the dark and being told, you just need to wait.
Fox 17 reached out to NES asking about Vergne, but so far no response. In a news conference earlier today, NES spokesman Brandon Whitlock says it's challenging to add crews not familiar with the NES grid.
Our number one priority is the safety of the line worker and the safety of the public. We have to control the high voltage energy so that we don't create an additional hazard. That takes time, that takes a process.
All power will be restored in the next 2 weeks, but Nashvillians say that's just too long. Reporting live in Nashville, I'm Hope Salmon, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.